In this video, we are going to create a quiz in C++.
So first ask the first question. Cout in which year was developed C++? So this is our question. And line. Option number A. Option A will in 1972. End line. And like this, the option number B. Option number B is 1979. And the option number C, 1983. And the fourth option is option D, 1995. So here we have displayed our question, and now it's the time for taking the answer from the user. So C in user enter the answer, and let's declare this in string answer. Right. Now we will check what user have entered, that is correct answer or wrong. So we are using the if conditional statement. If answer is equal to, here we are comparing, and the correct option is 1979. If answer is equal to B, capital B, or if user have entered the capital letter, then the answer will also correct. We are using these two for the if user have entered the small letter. So equal to B. So then we will correct option credit 1. If this is the correct statement for, then correct is equal to correct 1. Correct plus 1. Now it's a time for declaring the correct. What is our correct? It is the integer data type. So correct is equal to 0, and 1 is incorrect. Incorrect is also 0. Else incorrect is equal to plus 1. Right, this is our first question, and here we have take the answer from the user. If user have entered the B, then the correct score credit 1, and else entered another option, then the incorrect will credit 1. Let's enter our the second question. Question is equal to 1. Right, now it's time for enter the second question. Cout who is the developer of C++, and this is our question, second question, and giving the options. Cout. First option is Charles Babbage. So option number B. option number C. And now the option number 4, D, option D. Option number D is none of them, none. Like this, we will also check this what user have entered. So I'm going to copy this and paste here, and here is our correct answer is C. So here we will change the option number. We forgot to enter the name of who is the candidate. So see out, enter name, enter your name, enter your name, right? And line and second name. Answer, and name is also our string data type, so name will declare here. Name, user will enter the name, enter your age, enter your age, and line and in age. Age is our integer data type, so we are going to declare this in age. Now this after this we are going to show the result. So see out your result, and see out. First we will see out the name, and this name, the name of the user, okay? And after this name and age. This is the age, right? Now see out correct answer, correct, and line and see out incorrect answer, incorrect answer. So here we have completed our code.
Here is a lots of errors, so let's fix it.
To turn and build task, dot slash and enter your name, enter your age. So let's first I'm gonna do here I have entered the small letter. Here we have formatted इसके बाद नहीं लिया क्या हमने. Oops. In our code here I forgot to take the enter from the user, so I'm gonna do entering C in answer. Right now, run it. Enter your name, enter your age. The first question I'm gonna to hit A, the wrong answer, and in this I'm gonna to give the correct answer, that is the B. Name, here my name and the age. Correct answer is 0 and the incorrect is 2. Yes, it's some error. Wait a minute, मैंने B, yes. Here I have entered the both wrong answer. So if the correct answer count is 2 and the correct answer is 0. So here some problem is in the result end line, and here I am gonna to use also end line. Correct answer is now. Let's say it. Enter your name, enter your age, and the first answer is in which year. At this time I am gonna to enter the correct answer, that is capital B. In our the previous education I have entered the small letter and he has also counted. For this time I am gonna to use the capital letter. Here I have entered the B, and the second it will be C. And here look at here, name, age, and the correct answer count is 2. Here is showing this -2 because of this. I have entered like this. I am going to cut this, then after this it will be clear. Please enter your name, pin, and the first answer is B. The second one is C. Now, so this is our code of a quiz in C++. You can get the source code in the description box.